Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Microsoft 365 account and subscription so the apps can activate correctly. Once done, install Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive from the phone's App Store. Make sure to use the same account email. Grant required permissions: storage for files, camera for scans, notifications for calendar alerts, because without them certain features won't work. This gets you into the ecosystem quickly and prevents stumbling later. So pause only to sign in when prompted and verify your subscription details. Now sign into each app using your Microsoft account. Use work or school credentials if applicable so policies and shared resources apply. Once signed in, enable OneDrive Sync and App Autosave so documents are saved continuously and accessible across devices. Make sure to set the default save location to OneDrive and allow offline files if you need access without connectivity. Also check notification and background refresh settings to keep calendars and email up to date. This streamlines daily use and prevents version. Finish by practicing core tasks. Open a document, edit, and share a OneDrive link so you see real-time co-authoring. Use Outlook to manage mail and calendar and Teams for meetings. Once you've confirmed editing and sharing work, customize quick actions and widget settings for faster access. If something goes wrong, apps won't sync or sign-in fails, sign out of the account, clear the app cache or storage, and reinstall the app. This resolves most issues, and if not, check account license status in Microsoft 365, Admin, or Support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.